Hello guys, welcome to you. My name is Shukemeka Miracle and welcome to today's video on the Crypto Force channel. In today's video, I'll be showing us one latest app that is going to be launching on the 24th of October, which is about give or take 5 days from now. Alright, so this channel we are dedicated to helping us make money in the crypto space and cryptocurrency and all the updates and latest happenings and money making opportunities in the crypto space. All right, so let's get down to it. The name of the app is Amino. This is the app over here. This one over here, that is the app Amino. So I'll drop a link in the description of this video. Now, this app is just basically like, I don't know how many of us know of StepN. StepN in about late last year that launched around August, September last year. Let me just search for this. StepN. Let me just say StepN app. Okay, so StepN is a Web3 running app with fun games and social elements. Users equip themselves with NFTs in the form of sneakers by walking, jogging, or running. Let's look at this. It says, "Can you make money with StepN?" Let's just show you like how the other apps that are related to this, how they worked. It says the rewards come in StepN's native currency, which is the Green Satoshi token or GST, and are credited to a wallet created in-game or imported externally. Players must start by buying an NFT sneaker to play the game, then can boost the amount of GST earned per session by upgrading their sneakers. Right, so if you in your spare time just do a research on StepN and you see how much people earn thousands of dollars, literal thousands of dollars, millions and hundreds of dollars. Even if it's $100 you got out of it, something you just exercised yourself, you just sit as an exercise, and you got paid for it. You earned money for it. So that is what this Amino app is just like. It just mirrors it just like that. Okay, so you open the app, you download the app, you'll be requested to put in a referral link. Please and please just put in, I'll drop my referral link there and you can just put it in. Okay, this is what the app will look like. Now, this button over here, this top button, is for daily check-in. Every blessed day until when it will get launched, just come here and tap, and then you get 5 AMO, that is Amino Move tokens. Now from here, I have 210 Amino Move token. As you can see from here, the balance is 210 Amino Move token. Let's say when this thing gets launched now, and let's say each token is worth about say 30 cents, and with this 30 cents I've gotten about $70. You understand? Just for now, I haven't really started inviting people. You understand? Okay, if you want to invite friends, you just click here and then you copy the link, or you share, you invite, and you invite your friends. This is the link I'll be sharing in the description of this video. And if you download the app and want to put in, you can just look at my username here, Miracle 69100. The Miracle is K, a small letter K. All right, so what else? And then this is where you work. Okay, if you come to these buttons here are different. These are different toggles of the whole app. Here is for announcements, and it says, if you view this post, it says Amos top launch date is October 24th. And as you can see from over here, it's going to launch on the 24th of October. We don't know how big it will be, but I do know it's going to be something big, because I know of a number of gurus of mine, like people I look up to in the crypto space, that are doing this app. You understand? So that's that. Now if you come here, the second one is at the leaderboards, people that have way up here. You understand? Now it's like the streak on the leaderboards. This one I invited 290%, this is 276, this 273, this 266, and to show you how serious people are on this thing. Okay, now this here will take you to your home page like this. Yesterday I did not move any, I did not really move. I moved, but I just got this app yesterday, so I haven't really activated the movement. You understand? Yeah, so I was saying, I did not really move a whole lot yesterday because I just got the app yesterday night, stroke this morning, and so that's that about that. Then here is for news. If you click here, you see the balance. If you come here, you see the number of people you've referred. I just shared it to my group. I have a WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group for beginners in crypto space, which I'll be sharing the link also in this description. Do well to follow us there, and let's get this money in cryptos together. Now here, if you want to the challenge, that's the walking challenge, just like I explained in the beginning of step N. This is where you get the challenge. It says you get one chance a day to beat the run challenge. Come back tomorrow and try again. All right. I just tried it earlier today to just see how the whole thing works. Basically, if you click it, the time there's a 15 minutes, there's 30 minutes, and I think there's a 1 hour. Yeah, to either run or exercise and reach a certain gap within that time frame to get the rewards. Okay, that's how that works. This here is for setting your settings. Okay, you can change it to light dark mode. Oh, wow, I like this. I like this. You can put in your username and your avatar. Miracle 69. I've not put in my avatar, and let's just say let's just leave it like this. Go back to settings. Let's go back. Let me go back to see. Oh, what is this? Let me go back to this for here. Go back. Then you can delete your account or log out if you want. But then the app is launching on the 24th. They are just have roughly 5 days or they're about to just make maximum use of this opportunity. Okay, you have less than 5 days to just make maximum use of this opportunity. So guys, just hop onto this. Let's make money in this crypto space. The last I don't know how many of us heard of TIP. TIP made millions. People made millions, like tens of millions, hundreds of millions. Newbies were rewarded massively in crypto on TIP. It's just unfortunate that I did not really look into TIP. It really pained me. It really pained me because I knew of it when it was the Epoch 1, Epoch 2, but I didn't really put much interest in it because I had a whole lot of things up my hands. I had a lot of things I was engaged with. So it did not really give me the time, you understand, to just go into TIP. But nevertheless, the sweet thing and the beautiful thing about this crypto space is that the opportunities are endless. It's over a $1 trillion industry and it is growing in leaps and bounds. And now by next year, August or thereabouts, when the next Bitcoin halving is going to come on board, which will culminate into the probably last crazy bull run of our time, we need all of us need to be positioned, you understand, to take maximum use of all this information and we make maximum use of all this. So guys, whenever you see this video, just hop onto this, download the app, register, and start moving, start earning. If you can get your friends, good and fine. If not, just perform a task in the app and then you get your rewards. Okay, thanks guys for liking and sharing and subscribing to our channel. Presently, we are over 750 subscribers, and I want us to get this to over 1,000 before this year's end. I know we can do it. So, guys, please and please keep liking, keep sharing, keep recommending our videos. Just watch, like, share, comment, drop. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, if you have any observations or notifications, if you have any project you would want us to look into and help you analyze and see if it's legit or something you can invest in, do well to just ask us in the comment section and we'll handle it. All right, so thanks guys for watching. My name is Chukwemeka Miracle. Until I come away again in our next video, this is to your success in the crypto space. Bye for now. All right, don't forget that I'll be dropping the link to our WhatsApp group in this description of this video. This here where the description will be. I'll be dropping the. I know all of us know where the descriptions of this video will be, so I'll be dropping the link to the WhatsApp group there. Do well to join us there. All right. This is saying bye for now. All right, bye bye.